Splash Screen Flutter. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. To begin creating a splash screen in Flutter, open Visual Studio Code and create a new Flutter project as the starting point for your app. Once the project is set up, create a new folder inside the main directory named assets/images. Place the splash image you want to display at launch into this folder. After adding the image, open the 𝗕𝘂𝘀𝗶𝗶𝗀𝘀 file, which is located in the root of your project. In this file, write a script that registers the image path so Flutter can recognize and include it when the app builds. Next, navigate to the lib folder and open main. In this file, write a script that shows the splash screen and automatically transitions to the home page after a few seconds. This ensures users see your custom splash image before the main content loads. Once the script is complete, open the terminal and run the command flutter pub-get. This command fetches the necessary image assets and links them to your project. Finally, run the app using the command flutter run. When the app launches, the splash screen will appear briefly before switching to the main screen.